And hello guys, my name is Croatian Gamer, and today I have an announcement. My channel this will no longer be at Croatian language. At my channel, it will be all English, cause I have 83 subscribers. So I hope we reach tomorrow 100 subscribers. It's going so fast that I can't see. So like I said before, I will no longer speak in Croatian. Maybe in one video, I don't know, but I want study all of the Croatians, so I will speak English. So cause I want to get so much views. I get 17 views on my this second English video in when I started in the morning. So let's see analytic. No, like okay. So and bye.